Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Verasity price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting with the daily here for an overview for VRA between bullish and bearish scenarios. So as you can see, we have kind of a WXY correction here until we found a psychology for the market with 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 toward the upside, finishing wave A or a wave 1 in your bullish scenario and your wave C in your bearish scenario coming next. In your bullish scenario, you are in a wave A, B, and a C as a zigzag toward the upside. Your wave C, of course, has to be impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, hitting perfectly the 1-to-1 fib level at 0.088 cents for VRA in case you want to finish this as a zigzag. In your wave 1 as an impulse, you are in a 1, A, B, C for a wave 2, hitting perfectly between the fib levels 0.618, 0.786, and moving impulsively toward the upside. But the difference is that on the 1.618 is your target for a wave 3 here. So your wave 3 here, your wave C there, and of course your wave 3 is not just that it can finish on the 1.618, but also still looking even for higher for a 4 and a 5 for higher prices, while your wave C will ends up, of course, between the 1-to-1 fib level and moving probably for another scenario. Those were the bullish scenario. What are the bearish? For your bearish scenario, you have a WXY here. You have WXY and of course finishing with a wave C here toward the upside as an A, B, and a C, of course. And you're looking for a bigger A, B, and a C. And then one more wave toward the upside. It might be impulse. It might be, of course, a WXY again, which because you have 3 waves up, 3 waves down, probably also 3 waves up as a zigzag. So this is also a possibility for the bearish scenario. So anyway, you will realize after all that we are already in the bearish scenario, right? And we are very, very close to finish it, right? So as 3 waves toward the downside, and we are very, very close to move toward the upside in all case scenarios, right? Bullish or bearish, because the bearish is also very, very close to finish and moving for higher. Now, what is recommended to, of course, finish this bearish scenario and moving for higher prices? As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A, ABC for wave B, and then we are looking definitely for 5 waves here. Because your wave C has to be, of course, an ending diagonal, or it should be an impulse. Now, very, very probable and very likely here that we get an ending diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as you can see, the perfect fib levels are given for most of the waves here for VRA. We have, of course, still A, B, and a C. Wave C, sorry, has to be finished exactly between those fib level and the blue zone, and then moving correctively for a wave 4, and one more move toward the downside, of course, as well as an A, B, and a C for your wave 5 between this blue zone, and then explosion toward the upside. So as you can see, all these waves are ABCs, or 3 corrective waves where we have correction. And this is exactly what we are looking for. Let's move inside them. And as you can see, inside this ABC, you have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice impulse, right? Correction for a wave B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Well, yeah, interfering here, but still, of course, it can be an ending diagonal. Yeah, so no problem still. ABC for this scenario, and probably we have finished right now, probably, of course, we have finished this wave 3 of your diagonal, and you're moving toward the upside for your wave 4 and continuation, of course, for lower prices. Yeah, so basically it's very, very nice price action. Let's see here. Actually, yeah, what's going on here is another wave 4. Yeah, so definitely this is a wave 4. What we are looking at is a triangle here on the 1-hour chart, and definitely, yeah, we have still one more wave toward the downside, because nothing is impulsive, of course, to move for a wave 4. Therefore, here this is a triangle definitely, and still have one more wave hitting perfectly the blue box still. Yeah, definitely. and that would be reading as 1 2 probably, and then 1 2 3 4 and a 5 for a wave 3, and then 4 and a 5 to finish the 1 2 in the top. Yeah, so to be watched, of course, 0.0017 and 0.0014 as a price action for VRA. Yeah, so let's take a look at KGT. By the way, I have a KGT version for VRA. So looking at the VRA here on KGT, we see the latest signals, of course, given for the bearish, working perfectly, of course, as a bearish scenario, while you can see, of course, your bullish signals are losing their divergence with the price action. There is no divergence between this. Of course, your price action should be higher than this low. Yeah, they should be full divergence toward the upside, while here your conversions for the bearish are working perfectly. So therefore, of course, yes, one more leg toward the downside for VRA to see, of course, much more lower prices. And of course, one more wave and then moving towards the next target. That was it for Veracity. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.